A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power 1.5D. Find the focal length of the lens. Is the prescribed lens diverging or converging? So according to this question, power given 1.5D and we have to find focal length and the lens is diverging or converging. So in first step, just you write the given value from this question. So given power of lens and power of lens symbol is P. So P equal to 1.5 D. Here D means diopter, means SI unit of power of lens is diopter. So given power of lens 1.5 D. So this I have written here. Now you use the formula. As we know, the formula of power of lens P equal to 1 by F. So according to this question, we have to find focal length, and if I'll arrange for focal length, if I'll arrange this formula, then F equal to 1 by P. Now you place the value of P. P means 1.5. If you want to remove this decimal point, then you check here. Now after decimal point you have one digit, so add 10 in numerator part and write this value without a decimal. Now divide. 10 is smaller than 15, so place 1.10 you write here. 15 6 are 90, do minus, you will get here 10. 1 point already I have used, means 10 I can bring. So again 15 6 are 90, again do minus, you will get here again 10. So 1 point given means 10 I can write here. Again 6 are 90, so it will repeat in this way 0.666. So whenever you will get after decimal point same number repeating and the number is greater than 5, then second digit you increase, you do plus with second digit 1. This is the answer for this division, 0.67. Therefore focal length F equal to 0.67 and SI unit of focal length is meter. Now F value you have got here positive answer, means the lens is converging lens. If you get the negative answer, then we say diverging lens, but here we have got F value positive answer, means positive sign here, so this lens is converging lens. Converging lens means convex lens. So it is a converging lens. Finally, we have completed the answer for this question. Now we will solve for question number 2. Find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter. So in first step, just you write the given value, and according to these questions, focal length given 2 meter. So F equal to 2 meter. Now this is a concave lens. In concave lens, F value always negative, and in convex lens, F value always positive. But here we have concave lens, so I have used here negative sign. Now we know the formula for power of lens P equal to 1 by F. Just you place the value here. So F means minus 2. If you will divide this, then 1 is smaller than 2, so point use 10. 2 5 ja 10. So after division we have got the answer 0.5, and the SI unit of power of lens is D. Right here D. D means diopter. Here we have negative sign, so right here also negative sign. So power of lens equal to minus 0.5 d. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you have understood. Thank you.